This is a 1 year review of the Whitestone Dome tempered glass for this phone. This is the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and I installed this Whitestone Dome glass on this phone last year. And we want to see how reliable, how durable it has been since 1 year of use, and just to see if it's really what it is. Like tempered glass, pretty much. Will it block out scratches? Is it strong enough? Does it cut blue light? Well, I can't really say how much of this is true, but it does fill up most of the screen. I am able to use the touchscreen on the phone pretty seamlessly for the most part. Now, the fingerprint sensor is a different story with this phone, the Google Pixel 7 Pro. I can see everything with this tempered glass, and it has been scratch resistant. So let's look at the phone real quick. Okay, if you look at this phone, it is a little bit dirty, or it has like marks. So here you can see this is the glass right here. You can see this is where it starts, this lip, and covers the whole screen. And again, this is the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And for the most part, there are no scratches. So I dropped this phone maybe a couple of times, never really on the front of the screen, but I had this phone in my pocket with some keys and stuff, and nothing has been scratched in terms of anything significant. And if there are scratches, they're probably micro scratches. And as you can see, it's still adhering to my phone, although this has developed over time, this little bubble or something that's lifted up. So I can't tell that's like surface level or underneath the tempered glass, but it has been very sturdy. It hasn't lifted up anywhere else. Now, the problems you'll get with this tempered glass or any screen protector is pretty much all the debris and dirt that go on the crevices and corners, because this doesn't fully cover the whole entire phone. As you can see, there is a little lip that's not covered. And this phone, for example, is a curved screen, so it only extends so far out. And this phone, for example, also has a cutout for the camera, so you might get debris over here. But in terms of the feeling, it feels good. This is what it sounds like. And for the most part, things still do work. And as you see, the finger response is still pretty good in terms of fingerprint. In terms of touchscreen, it works really well. So overall, after 1 year, no issues with this. And installation, of course, was very straightforward. And if you're curious to see what is included with this Whitestone set, you can get this for other phone models, not just the Pixel 7 Pro. So this comes with two screen protectors, tempered glass. I've only used one so far, and again, 1 year in, no issue. So I may not even have to use the second one by the time my phone is done being used, or until I upgrade. But you get all these things with the kit. You get, of course, the tempered glass, the UV light to cure the phone, to cure the screen to the phone, because it does use some sort of glue. These glue packs, it comes with pretty much the frame that you put your phone on. And it's pretty straightforward in terms of what you do, but it does take a process of putting on the glue and that saying the light over it to cure it, one section at a time. So that's something you should expect from this set if you get for your phone, whether it's a Google Pixel 7 Pro or any other phone that supports, or any other phone that has Whitestone Dome glass available. But 1 year use, no problems.